Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the Remi feature on Suno version 4. In order to do so, first off, if you are at Suno and you click on Create, then you should be brought to a page similar to this. And the function that we're looking for is under here where it says Write with Suno. Then you're going to see that you have two options. You either have the classic option or the Remi option. And basically what this is to help you with lyrics. So if you have an idea for a song, but you don't want to write the lyrics, then you have two options here. One is to choose the classic, or the other is to choose the Remi. And the difference there being is the classic will follow prompts closely and take fewer risks, whereas the Remi is more creative and may generate results that are a bit odd or even offensive. So take that into consideration when you are using either of these models. We'll go ahead and we'll select the Remi here. And here it says, describe the lyrics you want or share a theme or topic. So we can hit surprise me and turn the style of music. We'll go ahead and we'll just stick here. Let's see. We're going to do a comedy song about a political leader that no one likes. We'll just leave it at that, and I'll leave you to decide who that is. We'll go ahead and write the lyrics. Just give Suno a moment here to think about what it is going to say here. Okay, so now we have our lyrics, and these are being written with the Remi model. So, hand me down my big wheel, man, is this a thrill? Put me on my big wheel and I'll take a test drive for two. Swig back an appletini martinis, make me squeal. Whack me over my bald head, mama, paint it untanned too. Okay, so this kind of gives you an idea of some of the results you might get with the Remi model. I have played around with this a bit, and it tends to be somewhat gibberish, or at the very least, like just very poetic, let's say. Let's put it that way. So then from here, we've got our verses in there. We've got some strange lyrics here, but that's fine. So then we're going to go ahead and create our style of music. Let's just go ahead and let's see. Let's go with a battle rap. And the name of the title is The Man That Nobody Likes. So that's our name there, and I think that's pretty much it. We'll just leave it as battle rap. So we'll go ahead and then we'll create. And Suno is now fast at work coming up with our comedy Remi generated song. And we'll just go ahead and take a listen to that real quick.
Hand me down my big wheel, man, is this a thrill? Put me on my big wheel and I'll take a test drive for two. Swig back an appletini, martinis make me squeal. Whack me over my bald head, mama, paint it untanned too. Hey, diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle and the cow.
Okay, we won't keep going on that, but that's just to give you an idea of the results and how you can too write a song with Suno using the Remi feature. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.